Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is a show where I show you something that comes in the mail. And today, well, we've got something from the United States, and it's freaking huge. This is a massive box with every single different variety of instant noodles that Nissin makes in the United States. As you can see, it's celebrating National Noodle Day, and there will be information on how you could possibly be the lucky owner of one of these boxes. But I'm not going to be able to really tell you much about it because the box is so big, you're not going to see me or what I'm talking about. But there will be information at the end of this video all about how you could possibly get one of these. But I'm going to crack it open for the first time and let you know a little bit about everything that's in here. Holy moly. Well, there's a whole lot of stuff in this box, so I'm just going to run through every single thing. There's a lot. So let's start with, wow, top ramen socks. That's really cool. And here's beef top ramen, the bowl. I haven't tried this in ages. Wow. And the chicken variety. Hot and spicy shrimp. Spicy teriyaki beef chow mein. Teriyaki vegetable chow mein. Teriyaki beef chow mein. Teriyaki chicken chow mein. A favorite of mine, chili top ramen. Shrimp top ramen. Chicken chow mein. A favorite of my daughter's, Korean barbecue stir fry. Honey sesame chicken stir fry. I don't think I've had this. Teriyaki beef stir fry. Teriyaki chicken stir fry. Korean spicy beef stir-fry rice with noodles. This one's my favorite of this entire range, and this is the stir-fry rice with noodles Thai yellow curry. This is grub, and you should try it. Original Japanese cup noodles, stir-fry rice with noodles, Japanese teriyaki chicken, cup noodle curry, cup noodle stir-fry Korean fiery chicken, chicken top ramen, beef top ramen, soy sauce top ramen, General Tso's chicken stir-fried rice with noodles, firewalk molten chili chicken, firewalk scorchin' sesame shrimp, hot and spicy blazing hot, fiery beef, hot and spicy chicken, cup noodles beef, Japanese style seafood, my all-time favorite of the Firewalk range. This is sizzling rich pork, cup noodles with shrimp, cup noodles chicken, cup noodles stir-fried sweet chili, Nissin Geki, Firewalk torched teriyaki chicken, Firewalk screamin' Szechuan beef, Firewalk volcanic Mongolian beef, Rao tonkatsu, Rao soy sauce. Check this out, a neat cup noodle ceramic bowl with chopsticks. This is really nice, thank you. And finally, this card. The card reads, Aficionoodle, an enthusiast aficionado of instant noodles. Sure, you've always thought of yourself an instant noodle connoisseur, but this is different. With our exclusive limited edition whopping box of everything we make at Nissin Foods USA, the company that invented instant noodles, invites you to experience a significantly heightened and unprecedentedly enlightened state of slurpphoria, because real aficionados know that every day is National Noodle Day. And it's got some hashtags and stuff like that on there as well. So here's the information I have about this box and how you could get one. National Noodle Day, October 6th, is around the corner, and Nissin Foods USA has the noodle deal of the century with 1,006 limited edition Oodles of Noodles complete collection ramen boxes. Valued at $106, each collector pack includes over 40 delicious flavors from every Nissin brand for the low price of $1.06. Noodle enthusiasts will only have hours to purchase their packs, with availability starting at 10:06 a.m. Pacific Time, 1:06 p.m. Eastern Time on October 6th, exclusively on TikTok Shop via mobile. So if you want to get one of these boxes, October 6th, 10:06 a.m. Pacific, 1:06 Eastern Time, and whatever in between, you got to go on TikTok Shop to get one, and it's $1.06, and there's 1,006 of them. Cool. So yeah, if you really want a lot of noodles, like I just showed you, that's what you got to do. So, good luck on getting one of these boxes. There are things in here I haven't reviewed, happily to say. I don't think I've had that soy sauce Rao yet, and I haven't had one of the other ones that I was going through. I can't remember what it was, but I'll go through everything again. And Yeah, thank you very much to Nissin Foods for sending this over. You guys make some great stuff, and I can't wait to give this a try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, and happy National Noodle Day. Have a good one. Bye.